Welcome, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So if you want to record something on your iPhone 15 Pro and you don't know how to change the sound settings, you should first open the control center and find here the screen recording icon. If you don't have this icon here, you should add it first. Just to do that, go to the settings, then scroll down to Control Center and find here in More Control section the screen recording option. Click to this plus icon to add screen recording to your controls. Then just let's go back to the Control Center and you'll find here this icon. Just hold it for a while and before start your recording you'll see here the microphone option. You could turn on or turn on the microphone. Just to comment something you could turn it on, and if you want to record the mood videos you just should click on it just to turn it off, and after that you could start your screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.